let's make our first project together with the Cricut Joy Extra. We'll be doing a order, not really a project, but I wanted to get this done so I could send it out soon. Here we're gonna be selecting regular vinyl setting. Let's just look that up. Let's see, premium vinyl. Let's try, what is value vinyl? We're not using smart vinyl because we'll be using the Tech Wrap Craft vinyl, not printable. Okay, we're just gonna go with the premium vinyl permanent glossy. See how that turned out. Cricut Joy doesn't come with a mat. I went ahead and got 2 mats from Michael's just because I'll be using the Tech Wrap vinyl. So let's get into it. I always like using the light grip mat. Here it is, it's perfectly. Make sure you're doing the Cricut Joy Extra. This is the vinyl I'll be using. It's by Tech Wrap. I forgot my Cricut scissors, so this will do. Love a brand new mat. Oh my god. Okay, just gonna place it. Squeegee. If it's a brand new mat, you don't really need a squeegee. Now that blinking light in the back basically means that it is activated. So let's put in the mat and see what happens. Let's do it this way. Maybe hitting go. Honestly, I can't believe this little thing is doing this. It's pretty quiet. Unload. Came out really good. Now we're gonna do the flowers. Bought this vinyl right before I left, so I decided to bring it with me. This is the matte white vinyl from Xtra. Sometimes they give you free vinyl. This is the one that we got. See myself there. Unload. If you could see this, but it looks really good. Now we're just gonna remove it. With your mat, don't forget to put this on. A lot of excess vinyl here. We're just going to basically cut it. Shading pen is by Tech Wrap. Low tack transfer tape from Tech Wrap on it. I always like to squeegee from the back and front. There you go. I think I'm gonna need to get a mat for this. This is a cup cradle. I bought it on Amazon. Last, this is the alcohol wipe, and this is just gonna get rid of any dirt or oil that's on the cup. Now we're just gonna let it dry, probably around 2 minutes. While that's drying, I always like to prep the vinyls. And I go from left to right, pressing it as I go along, like this. And I go ahead and squeegee. We're gonna use our tweezer tool for this. These flowers, we're just going to put it with the transfer tape, like that. I don't really like how this was cut and this one too, so we're just going to recut that. Remember when I said to save the scraps? This is the time to use them. Unload. Okay, it's looking good. Now we're gonna put the last piece, and that's it. This is how it came out. Let me know what you think of it. Okay, love you, bye.